Hello. Bear here. In case you don't know who I am. I'm the Chow. The dog. The black dog. I'm wearing a harness, says Bear. I'm having a trip Charles Daly Park today. It's an amazing park overlooking Lake Ontario. It's pretty big. I come here all the time. People are very nice. I just have a couple suggestions. Number one is, you should always keep other dogs on a leash. It's pretty hard to determine what's a good dog and a bad dog sometimes. And sometimes dogs scare other dogs. And it makes for an uncomfortable situation. And I suggest that you stay on the leash. Thank you. Number two, there's roughly 36 garbage cans at the park. Yet, there's a lot of garbage on the ground. It's really not that hard to pick it up. And wild animals, they can really get sick or hurt with that garbage. And it's unsightly, unnecessary. If you like Charles Daly Park, show everyone you do. Use the garbage cans. The town will clean it up. They do a fantastic job. Just, little heads up. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Over.